Welcome back, my students, to the last topic in chapter 6 is about enzymes. What are the enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts, which speed up the reactions inside the body by decreasing the energy. This is the diagram for a reaction. Here we have the reactants, and here we have the products, and this is the energy required to start the reaction. As we see here, we have two pathways for this reaction. This is the first path and this is the second path. In the path of a reaction without enzyme, we see we need high amount of energy, but the energy with enzyme, it is less than that without enzyme. In this case, enzyme decreases the energy required to start the reaction, and that means we need less time to start the reaction with enzymes, because we have here it is less peak, but here it is high peak. The distance from here to here is the energy without enzyme, but from here to here is the energy with enzymes. The question is, enzymes increase the speed of reaction? That is true. Enzymes decrease the energy of the reaction? Yes, that's true. So it speeds up the reaction by decreasing the energy. If we compare the reaction inside the body and outside, the reaction inside the body is faster than that in the lab. Maybe in the lab we need high pressure and high temperature, but inside the body we don't need them because we have enzymes. Here we have an example for the working of enzymes inside the body. In the blood, 600,000 molecules of carbonic acid are decomposed in 1 second by presence of enzyme. This is the carbonic acid. 600,000 of these carbonic acids are decomposed into H2O and carbon dioxide in 1 second. Another example, in saliva, 18,000 molecules of glucose are produced from the starch. So starch is decomposed to the last product, we call it glucose, and the rest of the starch, here we have 18,000 molecules are produced. So that means the reaction inside the body is so fast. What is the structure of enzymes? Any enzyme has two parts: the protein part from the amino acids inside the body, and non-protein part, we call it coenzymes. What are the factors affecting the work of enzymes? There are two factors: the temperature inside the body and the pH value inside the body. The pH value, it means the type of the medium. If it's pH equals 7, so neutral, or pH less than 7, it's acidic, or pH more than 70 is basic. So according to this medium, we have different enzymes Some of them work in neutral medium, or some of them react in acidic medium, and some of them in basic medium. How enzymes work? We have the model, we call it lock and key model. Enzymes are not changed or consumed during the reactions. Like the model of key and lock. Key represent enzymes and lock represent the substrate. When they react, that means when you put key inside the lock, they form as a complex, such as the enzyme with substance or substrate complex. Then the key is opened as we give from this substrate new product, but the key, which represents the enzyme, doesn't change. So that means key is not used up during the reaction, just it speeds up the reaction and come out as it without no change. Thank you for listening.